na off-cam daw. Sweet kayo off-cam. So, kwento nyo naman, paano nyo na-break yung ice, yung ice sa isa't isa, and kumusta yung friendship nyo, partnership nyo?
Nice yung stand-up po, mauna lang ako. I think si Jillian po kasi, we both said to each other, you're fun. I mean, she's fun to be with. And it's something, it's a blessing to have someone fun to be with, to be partnered with. And she makes work not feel like work. It's like we're playing on a playground lang. Masaya lang talaga kami. And at first, nung sa Abot Kamay, I was, as Miko there, pasyente pa niya. Although parang makulit ako doon, hindi ko alam na in real life, makulit din si Jillian. And ako po kasi, pag nasa set, gusto ko good vibes lang. And grabe si Jillian, dami ding energy nito, kahit mga madaling araw na energetic siya. So, off-cam daw, sweet tayo. Well, we're just getting to know each other, and I think that's what's important, especially with the characters that we're doing. We're just genuine to one another, and I think that's what's important. And yeah, masaya ako kasama ka.
Paano na-break yung ice? So actually po, ano kasi ako, pag unang kilala ko sa tao, well, nakikipag-usap ako, pero meron din po akong parang tahimik side, na nahihiya ako ganyan. So, like sabi ko nga po sa mga interviews, he really makes it a point na talagang gusto niya po komportable ako. Tapos sabi niya sa 24 oras, ayan, makipag-communicate pa daw po ako. So yun ang natutunan ko sa kanya. Hindi kasi, kumbaga, dahil din po kay Michael, parang natutunan ko na medyo mas mawala pa yung pagiging mahihain ko. I mean, at tagal ko na po artista, pero may hiya pa rin po ako sa mga bago kong ka-work. So sabi niya, makipag-communicate ka naman, makipag-usap ka naman. May nagalit po siya pag dinire-replyan. Hindi, pero ayun po, magaan kasi po siyang ka-work. Tapos weirdly, kunwari po may sasabihin ako, yun din yung sasabihin niya at the same exact time. So parang, kumbaga nakakatuwa po na parang marami kaming similarities. So naka-help din po talaga yun na maging komportable po ako sa kanya or komportable naman sa isa't isa.
And ilan sa mga secret na successful outing yun talagang nagkakasundo. Pero kaya yung question ko naman is, bigay naman kayo ng 3 best things you like about each other.
Oh! 3 best things. Oh, there's too many eh. Oh. Siguro let's start off with her heart. Jill is very kind-hearted. Actually, that's something you notice about her at first. Kasi po, if I may share lang, the first time I met Jill was actually on a TV guesting. Kasi same handler kami, Ate Kip, and it was on Mars for More. And to be someone with that level of an artist na talagang, I was grateful because she gave me advice of what to do in the future when I'm on set, when I'm working with others. And yung advice na yun was true and talagang authentic, and I appreciated it. Even her mom, si Tita, I was happy for that. And then nakita pa kami sa daigay ng lola ko, nakapre ako doon. And masaya ako. Number 2 na to because she's very helpful. When we do scenes, kahit sino man kapartner niya, I think we can all say na ano talaga siya, magaan ka trabaho because she will support you. That's important po kasi minsan mahirapan ka. She's always there by my side, and I really appreciate that, Jill. And number 3, the best thing I like about you, siguro is how game you are. Minsan kasi, there's people na hindi mag-connect, maganon, but we always have mini games, or pag nasa set kami, we like to play this game. Nung nag-showtime kami, sabi namin 3, 2, 1 to decide, and we continue doing it, and wala, it's just fun lang, and she's just always game. We play chess, yung naging bonding namin, and I think that was a good way to know each other, and yeah, but many things I can say about you, but those will be my top 3.
First is very attentive po si Michael. Sabi niya nga, kumbaga, he finds me helpful, but I think it's because attentive po siya, that he really listens kung ano man nasasabihin sa kanya, ng mga work niya, ng mga kasama niya. And, ayun nga, but it really helps na attentive siya kasi kumbaga, he really tries to know about who he's working with, kumbaga, which is nakaka-help po kasi nagiging komportable kami. He's also very helpful, actually. Pag meron kami mga need, ako may mga need, he really tries to help out. And he's very hardworking, actually. Like, sobrang hardworking ni Michael, as in, siguro po 3 yung work na ginagawa niya in a day. Tapos katulad po sa AOS, lahat ng segment nandun siya. I mean, imagine niyo po, nasa umaga siya, nasa gabi at hapon yung shows niya, ganun.
Wow!
Hindi, you deserve it kasi
Thank you.
hardworking po talaga si Michael. Like, minsan mag-enjoy ka kaya, ganun.
Galing sa'yo yun, na mag-enjoy.
As in, ano po talaga siya, he's very focused. And, pang-apat, grabe po yung faith niya kay God. I don't think he talks about it that much. Pero, he always talks about God, he always prays. He's very religious. So, ayun po.
Thank you, Jill.
Thank you, lumapis ng isa. Pero, eto na lang. Since nakapag-shoot na kayo sa Iloilo, if babalik kayong dalawa sa Iloilo, ano yung gusto nyong magawa together? Kahit hindi for the show, kung kayo, babalik kayo ng Iloilo.
Sorry. May nag-rumble eh.
Yeah, sa kabilang function.
Parang may pinapanood sa kabila.
Sorry po, kala ko nilito.
Hindi. Sige.
Sorry, can you please repeat the question?
Ayun, kung babalik kayo sa Iloilo since nakapag-shoot na kayo, for sure, marami kayong supposedly dapat gusto gawin doon, pero hindi nyo nagawa kasi may shoot kayo. So, kung babalik kayo doon, ano yung gusto nyo gawin?
Well, gusto ko pong kumain ulit sa Iloilo. Gusto kong ikutin yung buong Iloilo po talaga kasi super sarap ng food nila. Kahit saan po kayo pumunta doon, kahit sa ang karinderya, ang sarap po nila magluto. So, gusto ko po makatikim ulit ng batchoy. Gusto ko po makapagluto talaga ng batchoy sa Iloilo. Gusto ko magpaturo talaga how to cook. And, ayun, gusto ko siguro parang mag-bike lang ang Iloilo kasi yung mga buildings din po nila ang gaganda. I mean, ang ganda talaga ng Iloilo. So, sana makabalik po kami soon. At talaga magkaroon ng isang buong day na walang work. And ma-enjoy namin ang ganda ng Iloilo.
Yeah. If we were to go back, I think Jill and I would agree na gusto namin ulit kumain sa mga eateries. Kasi ang sarap ng pagkain, kamayan lang kami doon. Tapos, ang babait ng mga tao sa Iloilo. I think that's what's amazing about the Iloilo people. They're very welcoming. Pumunta kami sa isang eatery before and talagang pinapasok lang kami parang ang babait lang nila. And siguro if we get to go back and hopefully we will, we just want to explore the city more. And yeah, I agree with you. Bike, siguro lakad-lakad lang and taste the food of Iloilo.
Thank you, Michael and Julian. Congratulations.
Thank you, Sir Richard Magigaw. So, it's a stop out.
We're highlighting our beautiful country. I mean, the Philippines has many islands and many different cultures. And I personally fell in love with Iloilo because of their love for one another, their food, how proud they are. Kahit simple lang sila, simple yung mga ingredients, simple lang gawain nila. Yung type of love na ganun, it's very nakakahawa siya eh. I mean, it's something na parang may na-realize din ako, let's not take things for granted, enjoy life, and that's what Iloilo is all about. So in this show, I think it's one of the first that we get to highlight ang talagang pride and the culture, the festivals, the music, the people talaga. And we're proud that we get an honor to be doing the show for the Ilonggo people. And we even get to speak their language na napaka-unique. And ako talagang aliw na aliw. And si Jill din, ang galing niya mag-hilagay nun. So, yeah, it's a good show po and please abangan niyo po itong My Love.
Yes, actually, same lang yung sagot ko. Kasi, copy and paste. Hindi kasi, ito po talaga, ang goal talaga namin dito is to showcase gano'ng kaganda ang Pilipinas, ang Iloilo. So, yung po abangan po nila kung paano ba ang culture ng mga Ilonggo. And syempre, dahil rom-com po ito, mag-ano lang siya. So, ang goal din talaga namin is magpasaya ng mga tao. Lalo na po ngayon, ang daming mga nangyayari na negative. So kahit paano maging hinahad po nila to every